What's up guys, I'm Skedda and this is the first EXO Skedda video. In this video I'm gonna show you the making of hard trap, horror trap, I don't know, it's gonna have horror vibes, dark vibes, it's gonna be dope! So, peace, no peace, fuck you. So first things first, kick, the kick. Take a simple kick, whatever kick you like, I don't know, just a simple kick, and then, oh fuck my eye, yes, alright, take a simple kick and then use saturator. You won't make it sound like a hardstyle kick, because in hard trap I think you do that. Then just a small snare, but then you need your reverbs now. Reverb snare, and after that nothing else, no percussions on this song. But if you want in your song you can use percussions, but in this song I didn't use any percussions. After that let's go to our sub bass, the sub bass. It's boomy and distorted as fuck, but I used a little bit of EQ. As you see, I don't want to sound like this. It sounds like a fart. So like this to me is perfect. Maybe I will change it in the mixing, but I don't know. For now this is what I'm showing you. So until now we have drums and sub bass. Dope. Then a sound that I use from the day that I made this sample pack. Yeah, also this is a sample pack. I will have a description in the download link. I will have a download link in the description. I'm sorry guys. So, and what I'm gonna show you is, yeah, this sound from the day that I made it. I use it almost in any track that I make, and I want to have a little bit of dark horror style. Dope. Then we go to our drop. What I have in my drop, I have a few samples. They sound robotic as fuck, but this actually a little bit of my style. I like to make my style and my tracks giving you a little bit of sci-fi robotic style. This is a thing to me. I don't know, I do it, I like it. Alternatively, fuck this word. In other words, you can make something like this if you want. If you have something other that fits your style, use something else. Fuck, my English are fucked today. So yeah, I use the sounds. You can use your own. You can use the sounds too. I don't care. Also, a nice trick when you have sounds like this. It's dope to repeat and double the BPM. And then with a little bit of transposition. Complex and a little bit of transposition. Dope. Yeah, try to experimenting with this stuff guys, it's dope. Then I have this crappy sound. It almost sounds like someone died. Well, to be honest, I have a few presets that I made, and after a while I was changing them and try to make something different. I don't know how, but I end up like this. As you see, this is the base 125 Skedda version 3. That means that I have another 2 or 3 maybe versions of the sound that sound actually differently. Dope. Then this from the sample pack. Yeah, basses with reverb tails are always useful for the tracks to give a feeling of something, I don't know, dope. The fuck is that sound? I don't know what the sound is, I promise, but I really don't know how I made it, I don't even remember. A horror plug, as I said, this is a horror dark trap thing, hard trap. So a horror plug, to me, it was necessary. Noise, engine, sounds. This is actually not the sound in the sample pack. Of course I changed a few things. Yeah, the repeats 5/8. It's different, but you can take a sound that doesn't fit and make it fit, but changing a few things, I don't know, make it slower, make it faster, transposition and shit. So now let's hear our drop without the drums, and then I will give it to you with the drums. And now let's give it all. Guys, for real, give me your thoughts on this one. Did you like it? Would you like me to give you tips for something else? I don't know, I'm trying to be a little bit creative and show you in the depths of what I'm doing. I mean, also use these locators, they're actually really helpful. To me it was insane helpful. Oh, let's also talk a little bit about the intro. Let me give you a few ideas extra. An arpeggio that I made, really creepy, really like The Exorcist, I don't know. Then again, the texture, I use everywhere this texture. It's the sauce of the song, of this track. A few basic drums. Also, these vocals.
Why do you seem so scared?
You can also, if you have a mic, not very expensive mic, actually with a 50 or 40 bucks, euros, dollars, I don't know, you can make very good work. The trick in your vocals is to try to put yourself in the role of what you want to make. I mean, if you want to make someone that's dying, you have to make it sound like you're dying when you recording. That's a trick. If your vocal stands at 80%, then 20% is just the EQ, reverb and shit.
Why do you seem so scared? All I wanted to do was play with you. Please
want to show you this. I use this as a build-up.
I know things no one knows. You're going to die.
So guys, I think that's the video for today. That was the first video as EXO Skedda. I really hope you liked it. If you have any ideas or any thoughts, I don't know, write in the comments down below. So that's it guys, see you in the next video.